Hi, in this episode we shall be installing the CS-545 mini system. The first thing you need to do is isolate the speakers. Supplied in the box are some Cork pads. All you need to do is flip the speaker over, peel off the adhesive backing and apply the cork. You get enough in the box for a pair of speakers, that's 8 pads in total. Alternatively, you can use blue tack if you're putting on a pair of stands or on a shelf, both of which are as good as each other. Once you've applied all of the pads to each of the speakers, and you're ready to go. Let's take a closer look at the back of the CS-545. We start with the line in, which will allow you to connect an outside device as a skybox or turntable with a preamp or any other stereo device. Then we have a video out, which is relation to the iPod, also an FM and an AM aerial in. We've also added to the back of the CS-545 a subwoofer pre-out, so if you don't use large floor standing speakers you can actually add an active powered sub to give you better bass. And now we're going to wire up the back of the speakers. As you can see, they are fitted with 4mm binding posts. Supplied in the box are 2 lengths of cable to get you going, but I would recommend buying some good quality speaker cable to improve the overall sound quality. Just remove the plastic coverings, twist the cable together, and now we're ready to insert the cable into the speaker. If you choose to bare wire the cable, then it's a simple process of unwinding the binding posts, putting the cable into the holes and tightening up. Or alternatively, there is the option where you can use 4mm banana plugs. Once you've wired up both speakers, you'll then be ready to connect to the back of the unit. As you can see, there are 4 black inserts in the back of the speaker terminals. A small screw with half a turn will allow you to pull these black plugs out, and then you can use 4mm plugs to plug directly in. Or alternatively, as you can see here on the video, unwind them, push the bare cable through, making sure you've got metal on metal contact for the left and the right speaker, and you're ready to go. Now all that's left is to plug in the FM aerial, and now the system is all fully wired, ready to power up and to use. Now we're all wired up, we're ready to use the unit. Simply plug your iPhone into the top of the dock. This will automatically start to charge the iPhone. You can pick up the remote control, turn the unit on, select a particular track after the unit has read the data off the iPod, and now you can play.